Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Polaris Ranger 900 wheel bearings is probably one of the most important components to ensure your ATV's wheels rotate smoothly and efficiently, and neglecting them can lead to premature wear and tear, affecting your ride's handling and safety. This video will guide you through everything you need to know about choosing and maintaining the right wheel bearings for your Polaris Ranger 900, ensuring a smoother, safer, and more enjoyable riding experience. Number 5. Polaris Ranger wheel bearings. These high-quality wheel bearings are designed to keep your Polaris Ranger running smoothly. They're built to last, ensuring a safe and enjoyable ride. This kit fits a wide range of Polaris Ranger models, from 2013 to 2023. Check the compatibility list to ensure it's the right fit for your machine. The kit includes both front and rear bearings, providing a complete solution for your wheel bearing needs. No need to search for separate parts. This kit contains two different sized bearings. The larger ones, ending in 40, are for the rear wheels. This ensures a perfect fit for your specific model. While professional installation is recommended, they are designed for relatively easy installation, saving you time and money. Get back to enjoying your Ranger quickly. Don't let worn-out wheel bearings slow you down. Upgrade your Polaris Ranger with this reliable and durable kit. Order yours now. What we like. It boasts compatibility with a wide range of Polaris Ranger models. This kit thoughtfully includes two different bearing sizes, ensuring a perfect fit for both front and rear wheels. If you own a Polaris Ranger and need a comprehensive bearing replacement solution, this is the one for you. What people say. The fit was dead on. Super easy install. Top quality. Arrived in a timely manner, love the way they are sealed and how they fit. Definitely can see how they are heavy duty. Good replacement wheel bearing for my Ranger Crew 1000Z, much better than original. Number 4. Polaris wheel bearing. This high-quality wheel bearing ensures a smooth and reliable ride for your Polaris. It's built to last, providing superior performance and durability. It's designed to perfectly fit a wide range of Polaris models, from RZRs and Scramblers to Sportsmans and more. Check the compatibility list to see if it fits your machine. This bearing replaces several common Polaris OEM part numbers, making installation quick and easy. No more searching for the correct part, this is it. With precise dimensions of 44 by 72 by 33 mm, it guarantees a perfect fit and optimal performance. Experience a smoother, quieter ride. It's engineered for extended lifespan and superior durability, even under the toughest conditions. Get back to riding with confidence. This wheel bearing is compatible with various Polaris models, including RZR 900, 1000, Scrambler 850, 1000, Sportsman 850, and more. Please check the full list to ensure compatibility with your vehicle. What we like. This option stands out with its broad compatibility across various Polaris models, including RZRs, Scramblers, and Sportsmans. The precise dimensions guarantee a perfect fit, acting as a direct OEM replacement. If you need a reliable, direct fit replacement for your Polaris ATV or UTV, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Seems to be working well so far. Came in a timely manner and worked great. I installed the new bear into the carrier today with the bearing press at my shop. Number 3. Nakuuly Polaris Ranger wheel bearings. These high-quality wheel bearings are designed as a direct replacement for your Polaris Ranger. They offer a perfect fit and reliable performance. They're compatible with a wide range of Polaris Ranger and RZR models from 2010 to 2015. Check the description for the complete list of compatible vehicles. The rubber coating on these bearings creates a superior seal, ensuring consistent pressure and extending their lifespan. These bearings are manufactured to exacting standards, ensuring a perfect fit and quiet operation, even at high speeds. We stand behind our product. If you have any questions or issues, our customer support team is here to help you. This set includes both front and rear wheel bearings, providing a comprehensive solution for your vehicle's needs. What we like. It features a unique rubber coating for superior sealing, extending bearing lifespan. These bearings are manufactured to exacting standards, ensuring high performance and quiet operation. If you value quality, durability, and responsive customer service, this is the option for you. What people say. Perfect fit. They're just as good as the OEM bearing and costs less. Exactly what I was expecting. Number 2. East Lake Axle Polaris Ranger Bearing Kit. This kit is a perfect OEM replacement for your Polaris Ranger. It's designed to get you back on the trails quickly and easily. It fits a wide range of Polaris Ranger models, from 2009 to 2023. Double-check the description to ensure it's the right fit for your machine. Inside, you'll find all the bearings you need for 2 wheels. Everything is included for a complete repair. This kit makes replacing your worn-out wheel bearings a breeze. Get back to riding with minimal hassle. We stand behind our product. Enjoy peace of mind with our 2-year, no-fault warranty. Don't let worn-out bearings slow you down. Order your East Lake Axle kit now and get back to enjoying your Polaris Ranger. What we like. These are genuine OEM replacement wheel bearings, ensuring a perfect fit and reliable performance. The kit conveniently includes bearings for 2 wheels. If you prioritize OEM quality and a solid warranty, this is a smart choice. What people say. Perfect fit for my 2009 Polaris Ranger 700 XP for the front wheels. We received the wheel bearing kit in a timely manner and it was easy to install. Front bearings are correct for a 2019 Polaris Ranger 1000 XP apps. Number 1. Polaris Ranger wheel bearings. These wheel bearings fit a wide range of Polaris Ranger models, including the 900 and 1000 XP from 2013 to 2019 and even some 2009 models. They're compatible with various submodels, ensuring a perfect fit for your machine. They surpass original equipment manufacturer specifications. It replaces several OEM cross-reference numbers for both front and rear bearings, offering a reliable upgrade. These bearings are made with top-grade materials for superior performance. The double seal keeps out water and dirt, extending their lifespan and ensuring smooth operation. This kit provides everything you need to replace all 4 wheel bearings on your Polaris Ranger. It's a comprehensive solution for a smooth ride. We stand behind our product with a 30-day money-back guarantee and a 12-month warranty. Buy with confidence, knowing you're covered. What we like. It's a complete kit containing all 4 wheel bearings needed for your Polaris Ranger. Manufactured using premium materials, it's built for high-speed use and durability. If you want a worry-free purchase with a satisfaction guarantee, this is the one for you. What people say. Just installed these and seem to be just as good as the originals. Bearings were much looser going into the hub than the ones that were removed. Seem to be well made. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.